Out of respect, let's put our hands together for the legend who's walking in. Dharampaji, we love you. 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 So, before we begin, how are you feeling, Dharampaji?
I'm extremely happy to be here. मैं अपना कह दूं, अभी कह देता हूं बात जो कहना है.
नहीं, अभी नहीं.
आप सबको देखकर बहुत खुशी होती है. हमारा एक अनोखा रिश्ता है. इस रिश्ते से ही रौनक होती है. चाहे थिएटर्स हों या घरों में अच्छी रौनक लग जाती है. और ये शो बिजनेस चाहत है, सबकी चाहत है, मेरी नहीं. और मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि जो लोग इसमें आ रहे हैं वो खूब कामयाब हों. लव यू ऑल.
We'll come back to you. आपसे तो बहुत बातें सुननी है, but वो सेल्फी जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रही थी, are we all ready? क्योंकि महाराजाओं के ज़माने को हम दर्शा रहे हैं. I would like everyone to look into this. Dharampaji, can you look at me? एक राजा अपनी प्रजा के लिए छड़ी चढ़ाते हैं, आज मुझे चांस मिला है. As being part and host for this show, raising it up as well, everyone. May I have you look towards this little camera for us to get this beautiful venue in with all its glory. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Was I slow enough? Yeah? Sorry, I mean, Yep. And may we begin. Z5, thank you always for giving me the opportunity to actually host something this magnificent and beautiful. अगर आपको भी ये venue उतना ही अच्छा लग रहा है तो ताली मार दो just for today's gathering and where it is. ये weather बहुत जल्द टाटा बाय बाय होने वाला है, so let's enjoy whatever little bit is left of it. Thank you Z5, भारत का homegrown and one of the largest network always, but of course bringing us regional content. हम लोग तो अभी करते बैठ गए, लेकिन ये तो कब से हमें देते आ रहे हैं. So we need to celebrate something that is being, spreading smiles across 190 countries around the world. और इनका content हमेशा engaging, story telling से बहुत strong, और इसीलिए जब वो आते हैं तो धमाके के साथ. And that's why I can see कि कितनी large audience आज हमारे लिए यहाँ पे खड़ी है. So let me not waste any time. And since we know कि आज हम जिस चीज़ के लिए यहाँ पे इकट्ठे हुए हैं उसको लेके बहुत सवाल मन में उठ रहे होंगे. ताज and Taj has a lot of emotion attached to it. So I hope कि वो सारी चीज़ें clarify करने के लिए हमारे साथ Z5 जो कि collaboration with Consular Digital present कर रहा है ताज. Through and through, Salim Asif Gulati, please come up on stage. Woo! Murad Taha Shah, please come up on stage. Daniel Shubham Kumar Mehra, stage पे आ जाए. Jodhabai Sandhya Mridul, please join me, you gorgeous, gorgeous, inspiring lady. And let's have a lovely, lovely photo op once we unveil. And hello, can I ask all of you to gather here? अब इस मशाल को हम जलाने वाले हैं. नहीं. ये वाला मशाल है. You just have to turn it extreme right or extreme left. You you guys make that choice. But I'll ask everyone to put their hands on it. Yes, 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 please. All of you together. Can we have Dharampaji do it maybe if he stands there? Yeah? Dharampaji? Okay, can we have the light go down, please? Yeah. All right. Yeah. A semicircle, everyone, if you may, so we have all of you in the frame. All right. Asking for the drum roll so that I can count down from 10 to 1. Nobody moves it till I'm at 1, please. Don't move it. Don't move it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, okay, we have done it. The mashal is lit. And there we have it for you. Diwali Badlaj coming soon on Z5. Gorgeous is the word. Oh my God. Looks beautiful. Oh my lovely ladies sitting down there. Thank you. The cast to stay back. Thank you, Manish. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you, Abhimanyu. I request. Actually, I'd actually like you all to stay back. Oh, it hasn't happened. Okay. Manisha and Abhimanyu, can I ask you to stand next to the mashal? We'll get a photo op with you and then the star cast. Just ask. Yeah, just stay. I know we want to do 3 of them first. Hi. Thank you, Manish, Manisha, and Abhimanyu. May I please request you to step down as we ask the cast questions. पहले हम धर्मपाजी से सवाल पूछें, अगर जोर से हाँ आएगी तो मैं पूछूंगी. I want everyone to say yes. Should we ask Dharampaji the first question? की आवाज में और आपकी सोच में बहुत दम है.
आज इस फंक्शन में आए हुए मेरे प्यारे प्यारे दोस्तों, बहुत प्यार, बहुत सारी दुआएं. हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वाले जिप्सीज हैं,
हाँ,
खाना बदोश हैं। यहाँ साफ सुथरी जगह देखी, लोग प्यारे देखे, वहाँ अपना तंबू गाड़ लेते हैं हम। तो हमने बड़ी अच्छी जगह तंबू गाड़ा है। अब ये फिल्म ताज, प्यारा नाम है। एक्चुअली इट इज़ ए पीरियड फैमिली ड्रामा। ड्रामे हमेशा ही होते आए हैं फैमिलीज में, यहाँ वहाँ, दोस्ती, झगड़े, कत्लो गारत, प्यार, ये सब चलता रहा है। और हमें जब कोई अच्छी सी लाइन मिलती है हम उस पर ताना बाना बुनते हैं। मुझे तो इसका इल्म भी नहीं था कि ताज का मैं भाग्य लूँगा, इसमें हिस्सा लूँगा, मगर अभिमन्यु के प्यारे लोग मेरे पास आए, उन्होंने थोड़ी आउटलाइन सुनाई, तो शेख सलीम चिश्ती का रोल है। वो रोल जिसने मुग़ल आज़म देखी होगी, अकबर अपने मर्द औलाद के लिए उनसे दरख्वास्त करना चाहते हैं, ये वो चिश्ती का रोल है। और इसे मैंने, एक नेक दिल इंसान है, एक नजूमी भी है, और फ़कीर है, पीर है, क्या है, सबका है, इंसानियत का ताज है। तो मैंने तो ज़िंदगी में इंसानियत को तरजीह दी है। तो होती है तारीफ़ अहमियत की, वीआईपी बड़ा ये वो, तुर्रम खान, ये सब बहुत कुछ बन जाते हैं। तो होती है तारीफ़ अहमियत की, इंसानियत की मगर कदर होती है। तरजीह न दे ओहदे को इंसानियत पे, बंदे पे खुदा की तब नज़र होती है। इंसानियत से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं, चिश्ती जी यही कहते थे मेरे ख्याल से। और प्यारे प्यारे अच्छे डायलॉग कुछ वहीं बने, कुछ लिखे गए, अच्छा लगा। और मैं दुआ करता हूँ, जी तो मेरी फैमिली है, सुभाष जी से एक प्यारे छोटे भाई हैं मेरे, बहुत प्यार है। अभिमन्यु और सब आर्टिस्ट, ये नए आर्टिस्ट, पुराने आर्टिस्ट, इनमें इतने नेचुरल हैं ये, हम लोगों को तो समझ नहीं आता ये कहाँ सीखते हैं। बहुत प्यारा काम सबका, अच्छी फिल्म होगी, दुआ कीजिए। बाकी तो उसके हाथ में है, नतीजा तो उसके हाथ में है। हम दुआ कर सकते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं, दिन रात सब करते हैं। आवाज़ नहीं आ रही? अच्छा अच्छा, मुझे तो लग रहा सुनाई दे रही है। तो दोस्तों, आज के इस फंक्शन में यही कहने आया हूँ, यही पैगाम देने आया हूँ कि ताज आप सबकी फिल्म है, देखिएगा। फैमिली ड्रामा है, पीरियड फैमिली ड्रामा। अब आपने भी देखी होगी हमारी फिल्म, वो भी एक फैमिली ड्रामा थी। ये पुराने ज़माने की फैमिली ड्रामा है। तो भारत में तो फैमिली ड्रामा चलते आया है। खुश रहिए, जीते रहिए, जी भर के ज़िंदगी को जिए, नेक बन के रहिए, प्यार मोहब्बत बांटिए। प्रे फॉर लव, पीस एंड हारमोनी। लव यू ऑल।
धर्म जी, आपको हम लोग ना रोज इंस्टाग्राम पे देखते हैं, और आप जो कर रहे हैं उससे इंसानियत इतनी आप बढ़ा रहे हो, उसकी आइडिया आपको है नहीं। थैंक यू, आप इतना प्यार देते हो, दुआएं देते हो, हम उसमें ही खुश हो जाते हैं। कैन वी क्लैप फॉर हिम फॉर बीइंग दिस एक्टिव? सम ऑफ अस डोंट अपडेट एनीथिंग देयर एंड ही डज।
कम वक्त ये भी नशा है, लग जाए तो फिर सोचता हूँ यार बोर करने लगा हूँ अपने आप को। बुरा क्या तू क्या डालता रहता है, खुद से लड़ता रहता हूँ, फिर अंदर से फिर पता नहीं क्या हुआ, फिर डाल देता हूँ फिर। लेकिन ये एक बहुत अच्छा ज़रिया है प्यार मोहब्बत बांटने का, करीब होने का, दोस्ती का। इसको अगर हम इस्तेमाल ठीक करें, इससे बड़ा कोई मीडिया नहीं। for positive things, for nice things, for friendship. इस ज़रिए को यूज़ कीजिए. मैं तो इसी तरह से अपनी पोइट्री के ज़रिए, अपने ख्यालों के ज़रिए, अपने बचपन के ज़रिए, अपनी गुर्बत से आज तक की कहानी के ज़रिए लोगों को कहता रहता हूँ, हिम्मत नहीं हारना. Hard work pays. If it doesn't pay, work hard. More harder, hit it.
Woo!
You'll get it. तो
Thank
और ज़्यादा मैं क्या जवाब दूँ आपको?
Thank you. We love you. Thank you. I'm going to move to Anarkali now. जिसके मतलब आपकी तो रॉयल्टी की बातें खत्म ही नहीं होती है लाइफ में और फिर आगे एक और कैरेक्टर आ जाता है रॉयल्टी वाला. Please tell us, is the universe conspiring? Is it your beauty? What it is and how does it make you feel to play another iconic character, जिसमें dance, all things you love basically?
I have to say that this is one of the most incredible stories to tell. Ek kahani which is about a family, as you rightly said. It's about betrayal, it's about love, it's about politics, it's about power. It's a very, very sort of, it's a story that draws you in. And in that is this very iconic girl, this very iconic character, Anarkali. I was almost afraid when they came to me with this. We also have an incredible team. I don't think you all know about this team that we have. There's Abhimanyu and everybody that you've met today. But there's also a multicultural, diverse team from London, LA, people who have written it and actually reimagined this story, and especially Anarkali as a character. I think that's something that made me very excited about playing Anarkali, is the reimagination of this character and who is Anarkali and what is she and how does she become who she becomes. So I just thought it was very interesting for me to just hear as a story, and I hope that you all enjoy it as well. And about the whole period thing, I don't know. I think it's true. I do call upon every period film or story. Yes, exactly. I love that about Anarkali. She's so vulnerable, but she's so fearless, and she has such an incredible spirit. I love that girl, and I hope she reaches out to you all.
Wow. अब एक शायर और है मतलब do to kill time.
Yeah, and when I had auditioned for this part,
जी.
I was pretty sick. And it took me, honestly, it took me like a really, really long time to get.
That's why you got it, because you looked like the Majnun, didn't
Exactly,
you?
exactly. And I was sick and I had a big beard. And that's when I auditioned from. And then yeah, and the way it happened, it was just like, it was destiny, but also like my hard work for so many years. I've always said like it's taken me 12 years to like play a character like Salim. And when I think about Salim, there's only one name, Mr. Dilip Kumar. So it was a very scary thought and it was very daunting, but, and also with Akbar, played by Nasir sir, to have such names attached to this show, it was scary. But then I had to tell myself that maybe I don't like Mr. Nasiruddin Shah as Akbar. And I used to go with that thought process on set, and I just hope that I could, I made some sense of Salim. But when it comes to शायरी
एक कोई याद है, एक लाइन कोई याद है.
शायरी नहीं है, बट एक डायलॉग है जो इनफैक्ट नसीर साहब को बोला था मैंने. It goes like जो इंसान औरतों को जर खरीद गुलाम समझता हो, उनसे क्या ही उम्मीद की जा सकती है. वो वक्त कुछ और था, आपको बदलना होगा. दुर्जन ने दरवाजा नहीं तोड़ा, मैंने तोड़ा था. अनारकली की गलती नहीं थी, मेरी गलती थी. और आगे कुछ होना चाहिए तो मुझे होना चाहिए और किसी को नहीं. मैं आगे बोल नहीं सकता because it'll reveal a lot, but but I think I should shut up. My producers are just giving me the looks.
नहीं पूरा ट्रेलर मत दे दो, आने वाला है. अब हम जाते हैं टू द एंग्री आईज. वैसे शुरुआत इनकी एज अ लवर बॉय हुई थी, बट मुराद, यू वांट टू टेल अस हाउ डज इट फील टू बी द मैन हु इज आइंग द थ्रोन विद ऑल हिज माइट एंड मसल?
These are all planned out questions. No, but how is it about playing the character? I think this, like Ashim, I wasn't in Goa. I was desperately, I think, looking for something
Challenging.
something different than what normally comes my way. Like you said, the lover boy. And I'm very grateful because, as far as I've heard, that this role was actually initially locked for somebody else. But Raghav, he's somewhere over here, and he gave me the opportunity to actually do the audition, and then things kind of turned into my favor, even though the director didn't really want me. But somebody else, just fate, just made it happen. And this is the closest character to my heart. All right, I feel that feeling being the middle son. Sometimes, you know, you don't get the love of the older or the respect of the younger. So I feel that I connected with that way. Murad is completely fearless, like Anarkali, but he's not as soft as her. He is vengeful. He is vicious. He's intolerant, and he's out to get the throne. And maybe he will.
Only
Who
one,
knows?
one
Who
real
knows?
question. How much did you pump in the gym? Kitna extra kara?
No, it's for me. It's the gym didn't really come into play.
Okay.
But they gave me a very good opportunity to play with an axe, so which you will soon see. And I actually got down a trainer from Delhi to train me in that. So yeah, it's very close to my heart, and looking forward to it. Thank you so much, guys.
Taha. I'm going to move on to Daniel. Shubham Kumar Mehra, आपसे मैं क्या पूछूं? आपका कैरेक्टर थोड़ा सूफियाना भी है, थोड़ा बड़े भाई का भक्त भी है. So you want to tell us how was it just being a part of this ensemble and you know just the whole experience?
So firstly, मैंने इससे पहले कुछ किया नहीं है, तो hi everyone, and मैं बहुत nervous हूँ, but
Let's
I
just
have
encourage
to.
him by clapping for him. Yeah. Woo!
तो मैं इन दोनों की तरह गोवा में नहीं था, मैं मुंबई में था when this opportunity came my way. Two of my very close friends are sitting in the audience, Karan and Udhav. They actually helped me audition for this part, and yeah, thank you. आप लोगों ने literally, like, I was lying down on my bed doing nothing, watching movies, smoking. दुनिया के सारे, okay, I was not allowed to say that. But thanks a lot for giving me this, because to be standing with them, I've been an assistant director, and I've only stood with actors as an assistant director, and this is my first, but I'm standing with these Maharats, and yeah, that's the, okay, anyway.
It's your first time.
Yeah, so it was great working with all of them, and thank you, and thank you to our director Ron Scalpello. He's not here with us today. He was very patient with all of us. So yeah, thank you.
Coming to
Ron, Simon, William, the entire team that has actually like put so much love into this show. I'm missing them a lot. Really.
And I have missed this lady on screen for a while. Miss Mridul, you know how much I love you for eons now, and the way you do your yoga, the way you live your life, the way you speak your mind, the very few who have a personality as defined as yours. And you're playing the character who's close to so many of our hearts. मतलब spirituality भी है, practicality भी है, बहुत कुछ है जोधाबाई में. You want to tell us how excited you were when you were offered it and post?
As you already said, I do very little work, and that's pretty much out of choice. Very rarely something excites me out of my yoga mat, and Jodha did. I like that I was chosen and given the responsibility of Jodha. मुझे जोधा के बारे में एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि वो एक क्वीन है जो अकबर की फेवरेट होने के बावजूद पॉलिटिकल नहीं है. She's not a plotter, she's not a schemer, she's kinder, she's more liberal. What exceeds for her everything is her love for her son. So even her desire that he should be the successor is not political. It's because she adores her son, who should right now not be wearing these glasses because he's got beautiful eyes. And he's not listening to his mother and taking it off, and it's really making me upset. Thank you. इन आँखों की वजह से वो सलीम है. मैंने पहला सीन इसके साथ जब किया मैंने बोला ये आंखें गेम ओवर he's got this pat on I'm happy to be on this stage I'm happy that we got such a fantastic direction team thank you Abhimanyu for bringing them on board Ron William Simon they were just par excellence it's a huge gamble that Abhimanyu and Z and team have taken on and hats off to you guys and I'm very glad that we are on this journey of this gamble with you and let's burn it.
Woo! So Z5 and Consular Digital बहुत जल्द आपके लिए ताज लेकर आ रहा है. Please make sure you don't confuse this with Taj Mahal. It's not. It's an absolute Game of Thrones kind of a theory, and we can't wait to watch all of you. Dharamba ji.
दोस्तों एक गुस्ताखी हो गई मैं नसीर का जिक्र नहीं कर सका ए फाइन एक्टर ए लविंग यंगर ब्रदर कई फिल्मों में हमने साथ काम किया बहुत दोस्ती भी रही साथ में और उन्होंने भी बहुत खूब निभाया है अकबर को अच्छे सीन हमने किए 2-3 साथ में आज नहीं है वो यहाँ पे ही इज ट्रैवलिंग आई थिंक मैं रास्ते में सोचता आ रहा था कि नसीर की बात करूँगा और वही भूल गया तो नसीर यू आई थिंक यू ऑल अप्रिशिएट हिम एज एन एक्टर एंड एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग
हम सब से गुस्ताखी हुई है the omnipresent Nasir Sahab one of the big reasons that we are all here on this stage and I think most of us here have a crush on Nasir Sahab I can speak for myself and Ashim for sure and I'm happy to be representing my other queens Zarina ji and Padma I miss them and we had a great wonderful chemistry between the three of us and as much as I hate them on set I love them off set thank you.
Gorgeous. Thank you, everyone. Please, let's clap for this gorgeous ensemble here and waiting to see the biggest show ever. Thanks to Z5 and Consular Digital. May I request the media to take any remaining pictures that you need to?